Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube page. As promised, here's part 2 of my Charlotte Tilbury holiday haul. Now I know what you're thinking, Chanel, you literally posted a video a few days ago of your haul. Well, more products came out and there was also an exclusive gift with purchase that I just couldn't resist. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so the first product I picked up wasn't actually a gift with purchase item, but it is the new fragrance in the Christmas collection. So this is called Star Confidence and these are absolutely stunning. So comes like this in the travel size. Now this was £20 for 10 millilitres and it's described as a warm floral scent, and I love scents like these because they're not too overpowering, they're not too intense, but they do last really well and they just feel kind of autumnal. I think it's because it still has that floral undertone, but it's more like a warmer sort of cozier scent. Anyway, I'm terrible at describing fragrances, but I love this one. And to be honest, I kind of want to get the bottle now because I think the 100ml is around £130 in a gift set. But to be honest, with this, I could be really tempted. Now, when I went onto the page to do some more shopping, I noticed that if you bought 2 Christmas gift sets, you got an exclusive charm free, which, to be honest, I was going to buy the gift sets anyway, but I mean, I love a freebie. And the one I got is a Charlotte keyring, which, I mean, I don't know where I'm going to put this exactly, but I mean, it's so cute that I'm just like, it'll go somewhere. But they also had the pink heart and I think a red lipstick as well. And at the time I ordered this, it was just, if you had 2 Christmas gift sets in your bag, you got this. And I mean, she's so cute. I just don't know what I'm going to do with her yet. Might put her on my keys, might put her on my bag. We'll see her out one way or the other. But anyway, now onto the reason you actually clicked this video. This is the first gift set I purchased, and this is called the Pillow Talk Iconic Lip and Cheek Set. So with this, you're getting a mini beauty light wand in original Pillow Talk, the Plumpgasm lip glosses in fair to medium, and the Pillow Talk lip liner. So let me swatch these for you and we'll chat more about the colours. And also, before I swatch, if pinks aren't really your vibe, there's also a super nudes one that comes with Spotlight, which is like a gorgeous sort of champagne silver highlighter. It comes with iconic nude lip liner and a nude diamonds plumping lip gloss as well. So if you don't like the pink vibe, it's okay, they have something for you too. But anyway, back to swatches. Okay, now I'm going to be honest, my swatches, I've actually used the full size products because I don't want to open this yet, it's so cute. But here you can see the Pillow Talk Beauty Light one, so it's like a pink champagne kind of colour. This is the Pillow Talk Lip Cheat, which in the Tilbury universe is just a pencil lip liner. And then this is the Plumping Lip Gloss in Pillow Talk Fair to Medium. So you get these 3 in travel sizes. Now I do actually have the gloss in travel size because they brought them out before the crackers, otherwise I probably would have waited. But look how cute they are. It's adorable. And then with the highlighter as well, this is my full size one, so you would obviously get one probably about this size, but again, they're so pigmented and really pack a punch that a little would go a long way. But you know what, let me put some on because let's face it, I love an excuse to glow. So you can just see it there. And then I'm just going to pat that in. And look at that shine. It's so pretty. Now in terms of cost, these crackers are £29 each, but the products you get inside are actually worth £47. So not only do you get this cute packaging, but you're actually saving a lot of money too. So if you wanted to try these products, now's a great time to do it. Okay, now one of my holiday essentials every year is the mini lip trio. So this year it's called Charlotte's Icons Hollywood Lip Mini Trio, and it comes in this gorgeous lip tin. Now I love collecting these every year because I use these lipsticks literally every day, so having mini ones, it means they're not going to take up so much room in my handbag. Now first of all, the tin itself is adorable. I think it's so cute, and it's also going to be the new home for all my other mini lipsticks because they're very easy to lose. But this is what they look like inside, and this year they've gone from the pink Hollywood collection, so we've got 90s, we've got Rose to Fame, and we've got Icon Baby. So I'm going to swatch them for you now just so you can see the shades as well. Okay, so these are the swatches. So we have got Icon Baby, 90s Pink, and Rose to Fame. So 90s is called 90s Pink, not 90s, but it's just what I keep calling it. And these are gorgeous pinks because you can see the undertone. They are different enough to be in a set and warrant it. Whereas some people would look at pinks and go, does it need to be there? But these have such a nice variety that they just work like a charm. And it's also the kissing formula as well. So they're more of a sheen than a matte lipstick, which personally I'm a big fan of. But I mean, look how pretty they are. I can't wait to do so many looks with these, especially because my hair's going back to more of like a burgundy now. I'm kind of over the red. So with these shades, oh, it's going to be so good. Now, if you're wondering about value, this set is £29, but it's actually worth £45 because you're getting 3 travel size lipsticks. And also you're getting the tin, don't forget. Such a good deal. So with Charlotte Tilbury, I'm part of their Magic Beauty Stars program, which is when I recommend products for you, I do content, and with that I have a discount code that gets you 15% off your first order at Charlotte Tilbury. So if you were looking to get any of these products, I'll leave the discount code in the description below. You can use it on your first order and it all works on the Christmas collection too. So let me know what you get, I'm dying to know. And thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye.